The 12 by 12 multi-pocket page comes in a 12 pack. You'll notice that there are 5 pockets that can add a 4 by 6 photo or decorations like a mat. The page itself looks like this, where you'll receive sheets of white cardstock within the pocket. In order to add your photo, you'll simply remove that white sheet and insert your photo. Here you'll notice the durable edge. This is similar to other Creative Memories 12 by 12 pages. You'll see the 2 stitches also match the 12 by 12 album. Multi-pocket pages have a very traditional photo book look. You'll also be able to use them amongst other types of 12 by 12 pages. So it's a great way to add several photos at a time. You can use both sides of the multi-pocket page to add photos or mats to your album.